The power of cinema lies in its capacity to make us see the world differently.
Maalala ko kasi, nung pinalabas namin yung Lupang Hinarang sa Ateneo, tapos may isang estudyante, sabi niya, alam ko, matagal ko nang narinig yung tungkol sa mga pinaglalaban ng magsasaka, yung tungkol sa agrarian reform, pero it was only after I saw your film and saw the plight of the farmers and saw how they really fought for their lives that I started to care.
Film is a great chronicler of the times. It is a history book in pictures.
The power of cinema is to record the present and to imagine the future.
It has the ability for us to make us feel, and that there are so much things, we could experience and sensations we have never felt before.
I've always believed that cinema is able to bring us to events, thoughts, emotions, ideas that we sometimes could not really go into. And so the magic of cinema is really to be able to help us experience these things that we're not normally accustomed to.
Maliban sa isang sinehan, kunyari, simbahan. Sa simbahan is where you have a collectively shared experience. Kumbaga, may 200 tao, all at the same time, isa lang ang emosyon na nararamdaman. Pwede mangyari yun sa simbahan. Isang bagay na pwede rin pangyarihan nun ay ang sinehan. Pare-pareho kayo, sabay-sabay kayo. Yun ang kapangyarihan ng cinema. At that single moment in time, daang-daang tao o libo-libong tao, pareho lang kayo ng nararamdaman. Collective shared experience. Yun mismo, yung the fact na manipula ang maraming tao na makaramdam ng isang emosyon lang, maaaring magamit yun sa maraming paraan. Kung ano yun, dyan papasok yung imahinasyon.